Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of step keyword. In for loop, we will use the step keyword. Step denotes increment or decrement size in loop variable's value upon completion of each iteration. So let me explain with one example. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. So this is my program. First I am declaring a variable dim I as integer. Next I am writing for loop for I equivalent to 1 to 50. Thereafter I am providing the next, which denotes about the end of the loop. Next, cells of I comma 1 dot value equivalent to I. Let me execute this program. Here application printed the consecutive numbers instead of alternate. This piece of code is useful to erase the existing data from the A1 cell. Here I am mentioning step 2. Normally, upon completion of each and every iteration, loop value increases by 1, but when the user mentioned as step 2 means loop value increases by 2. Here I am declaring one more variable dim r as integer, r equivalent to 1. I created this variable to define the row numbers. Right now I am starting to copy the numbers from row 1. Thereafter, upon completion of each and every iteration, row number is going to increase by 1. Let me execute this program. Press F8 to start the debugging. Now application erased all the existing data. Here I equivalent to 1. Now I became 3 instead of 2. Means here we mention step value as 2. It's an incremental value. 1 plus 2 equivalent to 3. Like that we can copy the numbers. Click on Run button to complete the process. Here we can find application printed all the alternate numbers from 1 to 50. Let me explain with one more example where step consists of decremental value. Here my program is print alternate numbers from 50 to 1. So this is the procedure name. Press F8 to start the debugging. First I am clearing the existing data. Thereafter, as explained previously, I declared one variable for row numbers. Right now r equivalent to 1. Thereafter, for I equivalent to 50 to 1. Here I am going with reverse order. First I mentioned 50. Thereafter, I mentioned 1. Next, I mentioned step as minus 2. So, decremental value is minus 2. Right now, 50 printed on A1 cell. Upon completion of each and every iteration, loop variable value going to decrease by -2. Here right now I equivalent to 40. Now we can cross check. I equivalent to 38. Means it is decreased by 2. Here we can find application printed the output in column A. Now let me explain exit for concept. In my previous program, I have printed the numbers from 1 to 50, but instead of printing the numbers up to 50, I want to exit from the loop when I is greater than or equivalent to 17. So here I added one if condition. If I is greater than or equivalent to 17, then instructed the application exit for. Exit for means exit from the for loop. Press F8 to start the debugging. Right now I equivalent to 11. Now I equivalent to 17. If it is greater than or equivalent to 17, then application has to exit from this loop. So instead of printing all the numbers, I instructed the application to exit from the loop upon satisfying my requirement. So in this way we can use the exit for. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.